Hi everyone. Thank you for joining this session. This is a quick video to explain how to perform Tableau regression testing using DataOps Suite BI Validator. To begin with, we need a data source. Click on Add Data Source or go to Sources menu and create a Tableau connection. We recorded different video to explain the same. We can follow the steps once you have your Tableau data source established. Now, go to Data Flows and create a data flow. Select the required engine and save the data flow. Then create a Tableau regression component and select the required Tableau data source. Site ID, if present, will automatically be populated. There will be advanced options and comparison options available. Users can select these options as per the requirement or else they can keep them as default. Click on Next to add views. The views can be added from the workbooks present in the Tableau data source. From the workbooks, the required page can be selected. Once selected and the report gets loaded, click on Next and go to Benchmark section. Click on Benchmark Report to benchmark the report. The report will be loaded. Users can use the required options such as zoom in, zoom out, region exclusion, download the PDF and update the benchmark. Now, go back to Report screen and change the page and apply any filter. If users want to edit the filters or parameterize, they can do it in Filters window. If not required, go ahead and run where it will capture the differences between benchmark and run. The differences will be seen based on the selected mode, which is either text or appearance. Want to get more info on Tableau regression component, they can get it on help.datagaps.com.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Scan the below QR code for free demo. Thank you.